Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Ray, can you tell us the five qualities you desire in a lady?
Respect, love, caring, understanding, be supportive.
Can you tell us five romantic things you can do for a woman you love?
Number one, travel around the world, gifts, show you how much I really love you, like spend a lot of time with you because I'm that kind of person.
Can you describe yourself in five words?
Well, I'm quiet, fun to be with at the same time. No friends, kind of a lonely guy, just there.
If your desired lady is watching right now, how can she contact you?
You can hit me up on Restona1 on Instagram
Okay, please, can
or
you spell?
RAE underscore STUNNER underscore 1 or at 08067626471.
Okay, your WhatsApp number, right? Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay. Can you tell us five qualities you desire in a lady?
First, the attitude, a good religious background. Of course, her physique matters a lot. Her IQ, and also her character as a person, her personality.
Okay. Can you tell us five most romantic things you can do for a lady you love?
I can pray for Elisa, I love. I
Uh-huh.
think it's pretty romantic.
Yes.
Yes, I can spend on her with what I have, what I am. Share life goals, assist her when she needs me, be there.
Can you describe yourself in five words?
Funny, I think cute, intelligent. I'm kind of an introvert, kind of religious too.
Okay. If your desired lady is watching right now and crushing on you, how can she contact you?
Ah, through my phone line 070 669
Okay.
67215. I'm on Instagram. That thing, just that thing.
Can you spell, please?
ZATIN.
Are you single or married?
I'm a single guy.
Okay. Can you tell us five qualities you desire in a lady?
My kind of person, I like dark girls, tall girls, girls that are tall, huge, and say um, huge girls, dark, and
Okay.
shaped also.
Can you tell us five romantic things you can do for a lady you love?
I'll make sure all the times we will have, I believe she will never regret. Next, I believe if the money is there, I'll spoil her a little. I'll make sure I spoil her. Because ladies love those type of things. Show them things. I'll make sure I always go out with her. Make sure the time will never be boring for both of us. And also, I believe I wish to marry her.
Okay. Okay, Augustine, can you please describe yourself in five words?
I'll say I'm smart. I believe I'm romantic. Although I'm single for now, but I believe I'm romantic. And I'm this guy I know ladies would love to meet also. Maybe the opportunity has not come, but I believe ladies would love to meet. It's just to know me, and I believe you never regret.
Okay, Augustine, if your desired lady is watching and she's crushing on you right now, how can she contact you?
My phone number is 0810
Okay.
4288 and 992.
Okay.
WhatsApp, that's also my WhatsApp number.
Okay.
On Facebook, she can contact me on Augustine Carbo Samson.
Please, can you spell?
AUGUSTINE. Carbo is spelled KARIBO. Samson, the one with P.
Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay, can you tell us five qualities you desire in a lady?
Anyway, Sha, I just think they are pretty nice and I think they are pretty. Beautiful.
Can you tell us five most romantic things you can do for a lady you love?
Honestly, in a relationship, I don't think. Honestly, I believe in a relationship that love starts at friendship.
Can you describe yourself in five words?
A very weird and disturbing jokester. I'm a jokester. I'm weird. I'm dark and brooding sometimes. And I'm an introvert.
In case your desired lady is watching right now, how can she contact you?
0708 953 5628.